Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about mid-back pain. Okay, so there's a couple different causes. So if we're looking at someone from the back, the left side of the body, the right side of the body, on the right side, a lot of times people have this right up in the right shoulder, right this area right through here, and sometimes it can come right up underneath the scapula on the right side. This is all gallbladder and liver problems, okay, and it's referring pain to this area in your back. And so I put a link down in the description box, if you have that, what to do for that situation, okay? Now, on the left side of the body, right here, this could be the heart, and that it could also be the pancreas. So how do you determine if it's the heart or the pancreas? Well, if you have other signs of heart problems, primarily I'm looking at like history of heart disease, a clogged artery, chest pain in the front part, or you might have, you do a lot of exercise but you don't sleep. That a lot of times will create a lot of pressure on the heart. But if you don't have any heart issues, okay, then I would look to digestion, pancreas. Again, I put a link down below, click the link and I'll show you what to do if it's the pancreas. Pancreas is on the left side, gallbladder is on the right, and refer pain back up here. But if it's a heart problem, basically there's a lot of nutrition things that you can do. I'll put a link down there so you can kind of get more data on what to do. But let's say it's right in the center. You have pain right in the center for some reason. The best way to get rid of mid-back pain is to actually press on your sternum. So what you want to do is you want to identify at the level of where it is in your back and draw a line right through the body. So let's picture there's an arrow right through that person's body right here, and it comes out the front, let's say right here on the sternum. What you can do is you can press and massage on your sternum on the front part to help the back part. It works like magic. But the key is getting at the same level on the back that you are on the front. So if you're too high, it won't work. If you're too low, if you're right on the sweet spot that is opposing the back pain and you really rub in that center, you will get rid of this pain faster than anything I know. Now, the other reason you know that you're hitting the right spot is it'll be extremely tender on the front part. So the technique is you work on opposites. Now, chances are you could have maybe cracked a rib a long time ago or felt like I'll give you an example for myself. I've had injuries to my back. I've wrestled in college. I had lots of injuries with my upper back, and I will press on my sternum, my front part, and knock out that pain just like that. But because I fractured a lot of ribs, I have to do it on a periodic basis because there's scar tissue and things like that. So anyway, if you have mid-back pain, go ahead and apply this and put your comments below. Thank you for watching.